If an object moves in circular motion with unchanging speed, does its kinetic energy change? What about its momentum? So let me try and draw a circle to represent some kind of hypothetical circular motion here. All right, wasn't quite perfect. If we look at two places where maybe an object could be moving in a circle, so let's say here's maybe the object at this point, and maybe I'm going to have it going, I guess, in a counterclockwise direction, right? So that means at that instant, this would be an object with a mass m and some speed v going in that direction. But if it's really moving a circular motion with unchanging speed, if I drew it at, say, I don't know, I'm just going to pick some other spot here, some other spot along the circle, it's still going to have a mass m, right? Presumably mass doesn't change just because it's moving in a circle. Oops, let me actually, that was too long, I think. Let me fix that a little bit. Okay. All right. It's going to have that same velocity v. I'm just going to have to be satisfied with that arrow. It didn't turn out as well as I'd like, but I still haven't passed that drawing class. So anyways, the thing I'm trying to convey, though, is that it maintains its speed, right? So in that sense, if you look at kinetic energy, does it change? Well, kinetic energy is just 1/2 mv squared. It's a quantity. It doesn't, tell you information like direction change. So the fact that these two velocities are pointing in different directions is not going to impact that at all. So really, that implies that the change in kinetic energy is zero, or there is no change. But on the other hand, momentum, right, is equal to mass times velocity, where velocity is a vector and momentum is a vector. So the momentum vector for this situation, this initial one I drew here, is different than it is for this later moment that we were looking at, right? So in that sense, the change in momentum, even though I'm not going to say what it is, I don't think I have enough information here, and I kind of just picked two arbitrary points anyways, but it clearly cannot be equal to zero. So that's the best I think I can answer here, is that the kinetic energy will not change, but the momentum clearly must change as this object is moving around in circular motion, but with unchanging speed. So that's pretty much what it says there, right? Kinetic energy does not change, but the momentum does.